Goreng-goreng, masak-masak, tumis-tumis, bimoli.
Hi! We are Green Team!
I'm Jessica.
I'm Tommy.
I'm Nessie.
I'm Ben.
I'm Yofan Keiza.
So today we're going to cook stick tempe. Let's check it out.
Excuse me, sir. Do you have some food?
Oh, are you hungry? Do you want something to eat?
Yes.
Let's make it together.
Goreng-goreng, masak-masak, tumis-tumis, bimoli.
Ingredients:
Tempe,
carrot,
garlic,
Bombay,
beans,
corn,
Potato.
salt, black pepper,
oyster sauce,
sugar,
tomato sauce,
pepper,
flour.
I never saw it coming, I couldn't read the signs. I don't know why I let you in this time, I must be blind. I guess I couldn't trust you, cause all you did was lie. Oh no, I have to keep you off my mind. Cause of you, I'm wired up, I don't want you, it's time for you to go. Oh,
So that's our tempe stick cooking video. Enjoy your food.
Goodbye.
Bye!
Goreng-goreng, masak-masak, tumis-tumis, bimoli.